Hey guys, I'm going to get on here today and give you a little daily dose of encouragement. When things are sort of up in the air, like everybody's worried about this coronavirus and they're worried about that they may get it, or they're worried about they're going to run out of toilet tissue. I don't know what that's about. I think that we worry about things that we really don't need to worry about. What's the old saying that my grandmother used to say? Don't worry about it until you have something to worry about, or something like that. And I've really tried to be very cautious, wash my hands, don't be around people that have any kind of colds or flu. I mean, if it's in your household, there's nothing you can do about it, but out and about, going to an event, going to the grocery store, going to anything, it's just common sense to wash your hands. We have these little sanitizers that we bought, and Ron always has one in his pocket. So after we get through with a menu, we use it. If we get in the car from an appointment, we use it. And then when we get back to our office or home or wherever, we always wash our hands. It's funny how they said sing happy birthday. It's like 20 seconds. So this morning I was singing, and I have this happy birthday song that I sing. Yeah, I don't want to hear it. But anyway, I sang that this morning and try to have a great attitude. Try to think, you can't let this thing beat you. You can live, but you only die once. So you can't live your life worrying about the things that may never, ever happen. And if it does, do it one thing at a time. But listen to your body. If you feel like you're running a fever, take your temperature and do that. That's probably pretty good. Take your temperature at night or in the morning and just see if it's up some. But just be proactive. But the bottom line is, don't worry about something you have no control over, other than you do the best you can and use your common sense. Remind your loved ones. Remind those that are 65 up, and I am definitely one of those. And just remind them their habits. No, you don't lick your fingers, or you don't put your hands in your eyes and your mouth and your ears or wherever, just nose or whatever. But just be safe, and this will pass. This too will pass. It's one of my favorite sayings. This too will pass. And try not to touch my face. I mean, if you're in your own home and your hands are clean, I don't think there's going to be a problem. But if you're out and about, don't touch your face. Okay? I love you guys. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate your sweetness, your kindness, your love, your sweet comments, and you new subscribers, thank you. But I have some older subscribers. I'm not saying they're older than me or anything, but have said the neatest, sweetest, kindest things to me, and I want to thank it. That does not go unnoticed. Now, I will say this. As more comments get on, sometimes I read all my comments, but if there's a little heart, that you get a heart, you know I read it and I love you, okay? So if I don't write you back, please forgive me, because sometimes I get so busy with my work and stuff and I don't get to do that. I'm rambling, yep. I have done my Easter decorations, and I'm still working on them, but I may show you a little video of that if y'all want to see that. Just do it down in the comment. Let me know if you want to see that. And I hope y'all guys will just be safe. Love one another. Be kind to one another. And remember, if you have ever say something to someone and you feel like that you want to just tell them how much you love them, it's okay. You can tell people you love them. And it's okay to tell people that you were sending them a hug. And if you can't hug them, give them a little heart. And I'm giving that to y'all, a little heart. So be kind. I love you. Until tomorrow. You know, I hope you feel it.